Well, they say what you eat, you become. And today's recipe is all about that. Definitely it's going to fill your tummy, but more than that, it's going to satisfy your soul. Today we are cooking Chane Ka Phanu all the way from Uttarakhand. So let's get started. We have soaked this chana overnight and we are going to put it on the silbatta and coarsely ground it. But if you don't have a silbatta, you can always use a mixer and a grinder. It is coarsely grounded now and the phanu is ready to be cooked. Now we are going to take whole garlic, which is around 30 grams. We are taking ginger, which is around 25 grams again. We are adding green chilies. Well, I like my food spicy, but you can add according to your palate. It's time to add some dry coriander seeds, some whole jeera. We need to add a little bit water to it. We are going to make a coarsely grounded paste of all these ingredients. Just see that the masala is coarsely grounded. Trust me, my kitchen is smelling divine. Now we are going to start the main part of making the phanu. I'm going to add around 200 ml of mustard oil. We'll let this oil cook till the smoking point. Now I'm going to add dry red whole chilies and some jhakia. Now it's time to add the masala which we made for the phanu. It's time to add some turmeric powder and some chili powder. Can you just look at the color? Well, of course, you can't smell what I am smelling right now. Good sign to any Indian tadka is this oil which is coming at the end. It actually shows that the masala is ready and we are ready to add the phanu into it. It's time to mix the coarsely grounded chana. Now keep stirring this for 3 to 4 minutes. It's time to add some water now. Now this step is very crucial because if we are not going to stir, then there is a chance that it might have lumps. But you can see the consistency is almost like any dal which we make at home. Well, it's time now to add salt. Oh my God! I've put so much salt into my dish. Well, nothing to worry. Well, I have something which can save this dish. Yes, trust me. Not only this dish, but you can add this to any Indian curries or even dry sabjis. This is some white sugar. You can also use some brown sugar. And now it's the turn to add lemon. This combination can fix any spoiled curry with extra salt. Do try this out whenever there is a disaster in the kitchen. And also let me know in comment section how this TheSherieTake did wonders for all of you. So now we need to give this dish an interesting take. And that's why we are giving a nice tadka of ghee to the Chane Ka Phanu. And it's time to add some jhakia into it. I'm going to add some fresh curry leaves from my kitchen garden, some fine chopped onions. To give this tempering a good color, add some Kashmiri chili powder. It's time to add the tempering on Chane Ka Phanu. It's time to add fresh coriander leaves. Well, finally, our Chane Ka Phanu is ready. We are going to enjoy this with either hot and piping steaming rice or even phulkas. But trust me, you all are going to love this dish for a very, very long time. Do let us know in comments how this dish turned out for all of you. Signing off for now, you are watching Indian Food Diaries on Get Curried. This is Chef Sherie.